Hey, my lord, mina ngikhathele manje le.
My lord, I'm tired of this now.
Hayi, because sezinto eyi-1 siyale nale ngikhathele. I mean, akunala siya khona la. I mean,
my lord, you are not going anywhere. Really, I'm tired about this. Aye, my lord, I'm tired about this. I'm really tired, my lord, about
if kwakuyisona ukuthi ngivikele iclient nokuthi mhlambe ngenzeni, hayi.
If it was a sin, my lord, to protect a client, I really, my lord, I don't know.
Because it seems as if him was olento le. Him was olento le ekade iqale yonke lento le.
It's like I'm the one who started the sin.
And ungathi usebenzisa desperation. Don't be too desperate, my friend.
So really bad.
Hayi ngikhathele.
My lord.
No, my lord, I'm tired.
Hayi ngikhathele.
My lord.
Yo. I can't do it anymore. I'm tired. Serious.
But I will leave it at that. I will leave that for argument.
Uthi ke manje uzayeka le ukuthi ke manje angeke ugijime lokuhlangothi la abantu badubulela kolohlangothi bedubula ngama AK47 hayi uthi angeke ugijimele kolohlangothi kepha le uzayeka uzawuza la enkantolo ayiphikisi uyayeka manje
hayi akayeke ngofana yamhlula ayamshaya mfana.
Yes, leave it because my lord, lack of better way, my lord, you know. Yes, it's difficult. Let's leave it because I can see that it's difficult for you to make a point on that.
Your attitude that you are displaying towards counsel who's asking you questions and towards me clearly appears from the record, sir. I'm not going to say anything further about that.
Uthi ke manje indlela oziphethe ngayo no nesimilo ophendula ngabo ingwama council engabameli asijabulisi. Uthi futhi uyakutshela ukuthi lesimilo sakho lesi noma lendlela oyiphethe ngayo ikhona la kuma record kepha ke uyayeka.
Let me move on to something else.